Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna see who eats more baby Gerbers. And did you know I opened the myself? I know. But today, why don't we just get into it? So, first, whoever finishes the Gerber first has to tell the loser to give them a foot massage. So, we're gonna do it in 3, 2. Are you ready, Mom?
Yes, I'm ready.
1.
Okay. Oh, it's been a while that I've ate a Gerber. It tastes so disgusting.
No.
The texture.
You're gonna win.
Why are you gonna win?
Huh?
You're gonna win. I'm not trying to massage those feet for 24 hours. They smell. Next.
Hey, that's a cheater. That's a cheater.
The flavor's not bad, but the texture's horrible.
Almost done. You better hurry. I'm almost done. Look.
I'm trying to hurry. But it's just not good.
I got some on my nose.
That's on your nose.
No.
I won. Like, seriously, look, I won. Nothing on these both define. I seriously won. That means I'm getting the massage, guys. We got it, Team Mommy.
No, it's in your team.
Everyone's on my team.
No.
I'm the mommy.
No, it's in your team because you're literally 34.
34, guys. That's
Guys, guess what? She has wrinkles.
That's what happened when I had you guys. Okay.
Look at her. Look at her hands.
Okay, well, this wraps it up, guys. See you next video. Thank you.
Bye.